If you've just welcomed a set of G3 loudspeakers and an F2 subwoofer into your home, or you're thinking of doing so, allow me to show you how you can easily unbox and set them up. Hi, I'm Darren Rose and I'll be your guide during this quick and simple to follow tutorial. Firstly, look for the QR codes on the outside of the packaging. By scanning one, you'll be taken to a web page where you can register your loudspeakers and subwoofer. The main benefit of registering is that you'll receive a free extension to our included parts and labour warranty, from 2 years up to 5. Remove your loudspeakers and subwoofer from their packaging, ensuring that you also take out the included power cables and the F2's remote. Now, find a soft, non-abrasive surface onto which you can tip over the F2 subwoofer onto its side. Now connect its power cable and your chosen audio signal cable, either optical, RCA or digital coaxial. When making your choice of audio signal cable, it's good to check the output types available on your audio source device, whether you're using a TV, streamer box or something similar. This will help you decide what kind of cable is best and whether you should use an adapter. If you choose to use your G3s without the F2 subwoofer, you will need to send an analog audio signal to them. If an RCA output is available, using it will allow the playback volume of your Genelec system to follow the volume set on the audio source device. Similarly for TVs, using an HDMI ARC to RCA converter also allows this, so playback volume follows what is set on the TV. Optical connections generally do not communicate volume adjustments, and it's for this reason that the F2 allows you to adjust system volume using a remote control. Toggle the roll-off switch according to the room position you intend to place the subwoofer in. Typically, more roll-off is needed as the subwoofer is put closer to a solid wall. Such placement increases the bass volume for the listener, so the roll-off switch is there to reduce and balance the level. To learn about altering phase, a more advanced setting on the F2, please watch our separate subwoofer phase video guide. Next, take the other end of the audio signal cable you used for the subwoofer input and connect it to the output of your TV, streamer box or other audio source device, or connect it to your adapter if you're using one. Now for your G3 loudspeakers. Connect RCA audio signal cables to the loudspeakers and do the same for the included power cables. Then position the loudspeakers in your room. Connect the opposite end of the RCA cables to the L and R outputs of the subwoofer, noting which cable is for the left speaker and which is for the right. Next, plug in and turn on both the loudspeakers and the subwoofer. As you do, you'll see their LED indicators light up. Please note that later, when you decide to stop listening, there's no need to switch off the system. Both the loudspeakers and the subwoofer will detect when the audio signal stops and set themselves to standby mode after 30 minutes. The remote that's included with the F2 subwoofer is ready for you to use immediately. If you like, you can also set up your existing IR, infrared remote to work with your new Genelec system. To do so, follow these simple steps. Hold down the F2 select button until the indicator LED on the front of the subwoofer flashes red. Press the button on your remote control you want to use for turning the volume up. If the button was assigned successfully, the LED will flash green. Now press the button you want for turning the volume down. When successful, the LED will flash blue. Press the button you want to assign for select, and when successful, the LED will flash yellow. Now press your button for mute. When successful, the LED will flash pink. Finally, press the button you'll use to turn the power on and off. When successful, the LED will return to its original state of solid white. That's all for the basic setup. We wish you an absolutely wonderful time enjoying your audio on your new Genelec system.